Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how to fix your mouse problem not working in your Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, what we will do, I won't use my mouse and I just want to experience you how you can solve this problem or fix this problem by your keyboard. So first of all, what we will do, we'll press Windows and plus R and the run interface will appear. After that, here you can see we write devngmt.msc and then we will click enter on it. After that, here is device manager interface appeared. We just want to maximize it. How are we gonna do it? We will press Alt space and X, and this is how you can maximize your any screen in Windows 10. So now what we will do, we will select our PC over here. By how are you gonna select it? We will select by in our keyboard we have tab button. Just click on it, and this is how you can select. This is how you can select PC by your keyboard. After that, we will click our bottom arrow and go for mic and other pointing devices. We will click now our right arrow button, and here we will get the HID complement mouse. There has a lot of mouse driver, but we won't select all. We will just select only one and then we will uninstall it. So for that, we have to click enter on it, and then we now have to go for general, then driver. So how are we gonna do it? So we need to click tab 3 times, and then we are in general. And now we have to use our right arrow button to go for driver. And now we will go to uninstall device. How are we gonna do it? We just have to click tab, another tab, another tab, and another tab. And this is how we can go for uninstall device. Nothing we have to worry about. We just have to click enter and then enter another tab, and the uninstall is done. So now what we will have to do, we just have to restart our PC or laptop. And why we wanna do it? Just because if we restart our PC, there will be a new mouse driver will be installed automatically. So I think by this, your problem will be fixed. So for that reason, we have to click. So now we have to click Alt plus F4 to cut this screen. And now we have to click Windows plus Alt plus F4. By this, you will get this shutdown Windows interface over here. And you need to restart your PC right now. For that reason, you have to click your bottom arrow button, and here you will get your restart options. And just click enter. By this, you can update your driver, or your Windows will automatically download a new mouse driver for your PC. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. I will see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.